All right, that wraps up this overview and introduction of NASKIN and how you can become a champion for quality with NASKIN in the ABA service delivery industry. All right, don't wait for the next conference. Find your passion, join the network, and evolve. The next step towards becoming a quality champion at NASKIN is take the pledge with me right now. I pledge to continuously improve myself, support the professional development of others, apply the principles of behavior in good faith for the benefit of society, and actively participate in the continuous improvement of applied behavior analysis, service delivery, with mind, hands, and heart. I hope you've enjoyed these informational videos. I encourage you to check out some of the other things that NASKIN has to offer, such as its ABA Quality Help Desk and Quality Career Center. If you found this information useful and you'd like to stay on top of updates, be sure to click subscribe or leave a note in the comments below.